Hi guys, okay, so today I filmed this really quick and simple makeup tutorial. I haven't been wearing makeup at all, which is why I haven't really been doing any makeup tutorials. Like, I've legit just been wearing lashes and brows. That's it, nothing else. No foundation, no bronzer, no concealer, no nothing. So yeah, and some lip gloss. So today I was like, yo, I'm in a makeup mood. Like, I want to get glam. I want to do the full beat. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this really quick and simple video. Let me know down below other videos that you would like to see down below. I do have other, like, I promise you, I know you guys are probably tired of hair reviews, but literally I have not been in, just like, I've been focusing on so many other things that now I feel like I've been cleansed and centered and everything. So now I'm like super inspired and super I want to film mode. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, thumbs up, and subscribe. And on to the video. Okay, so for the first color, I'm going to go in and take Fawn by Anastasia. This one right here. And I'm going to use that as a transition color. I know I have not been filming like a lot of makeup tutorials. Like, I have not been wearing makeup at all. Like, at all. The most I'm doing is eyebrows and lashes. Just because, one, it's been hot. Two, I've been going out of town, and the places that I've been going, hot. Like, I went to Dallas and it was scorching. I went to Atlanta, hot. So yeah, it was super hot. And Chicago hasn't been that hot, but I honestly just haven't been like, oh, I want a full face. And then today I woke up and I was like, yo, I need to film. And then I know about the natural hair videos. Like, Chicago has been on and off with the whole weather thing. And I'm just not trying to go outside cold with a wet head. Even though, like, I heard, like, you don't get sick. But it's just not, I don't know. I just don't enjoy the feeling. So it's been like, okay, look, I need this to be consistent for me to go and do a wash and go. But I've been really wanting to wear a wash and go for a while now. So now I'm going to go in with my Juvias Place palette. This one right here, the Zulu by Juvias Place. And I'm going to take this color right here. My hands are like super ashy. Now I'm going to go in with Multitasker by Tarte. Whoa, I put too much out. But I am going to cut my crease. Okay, so now I'm going to go into this Katy, I was going to say Kat Von D. Katy Perry palette. And I'm going to take these two up here. And I'm going to mix them and put them over on my lid. Okay, so now I'm going to take this gel liner. The ink Blacklist is by Pretty Vulgar. I got it in a BoxyCharm box. So yeah, I'm not subscribed, but they do send me their monthly boxes. And this month this came in there. I like it. It's just not as black as I would like. So I'm going to go over with some liquid liner by Covergirl. Okay, so lately I haven't been using a beauty blender to do like my foundation and stuff. I've just been using this brush by Stazali, and I am in love. Like, I haven't been using a beauty blender for like anything. So yeah. So the foundation that I'm going to use is the Covergirl True Matte Blend in the color Sable. So I'm using the Maybelline Age Rewind as my concealer. I honestly have not used this in so long. And then I'm going to take the Stazali Fiber Mini Blending Brush and blend it out. So because I don't want this to be super like dramatic-y, I'm going to take this Black Radiance foundation powder, and this is what I'm going to use to set with. So I'm not going to really use a contour, but I am going to go in with this Black Radiance one because it's not as cool. But I really just want my face to kind of look super bronzy. For blush, I'm going to use Swiss Chocolate. Then I'm going to go back in with this, and I'm going to use that to waterline, use this on my waterline. Okay guys, so this is the completed look. On my lips, I have one of my favorites, which is the Sephora cream lip stain in number 45 that looks like this. And I just lined my lip with a dark brown, black and brown pencil by NYX. So yeah, this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this really quick and really simple and easy makeup tutorial. Let me know other makeup tutorials that you would like to see down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, thumbs up, and subscribe. Don't forget to leave other suggestions of videos that you'd like to see down below. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.